Get ready to revolutionize your workflow with free AI tools. AI is changing everything. Free tools are now available. Let's dive into the top 5. Number 5 is ChatGPT. Generate human-like text instantly. Number 4 is Midjourney. Create stunning visuals quickly. Number 3 is DALL-E. Produce unique artwork easily. Number 2 is Canva. Design professional graphics effortlessly. Number 1 is Notion AI. Organize your life seamlessly. Other notable tools exist. Plot assists with tasks. 11 Labs creates voiceovers. Runway enables video editing. Perplexity answers complex questions. Leonardo AI enhances productivity. These tools will transform you. Try them out now and see. This is just the beginning. There are many more tools. This is part 1 of the free AI tools series. Subscribe to catch part 2. Stay ahead of the curve. Join the AI revolution today. Don't miss out on the future. Hit that subscribe button now. We'll see you in part 2.